In Efo, I just created a video to help you get started with the training I was supposed to do tomorrow. I hope this is going to help you. So, in this quick guide, I'm going to be showing you a few things. One, I'll be showing you how to change a learner's password. I'll be showing you how to enable the current term and then the session, as well as checking reports too. I'll also be highlighting a few important points like you need to understand that this is going to be showing the current session and one previous session so that we don't have everything just so you don't have too much of data just flying all over the place. And then the terms and sessions are separated. The current session and the previous session are going to be differentiated by their color codes, like you rightly suggested. So I'm going to log in right away and show you how that works. So we'll start with the learner's password, how to change the learner's password. So I'm going to log in excuse me first. So once I log in, I go to pupils, and whenever there's need for any password change and all that, you just give us the pupils number. We search that, put that right into the search box, hit the search button, and it gives us the record. We just click edit, and then we can change the password to whatever we want it to be. In this case, I'm resetting it back to TTS. The second thing I'll be showing you is how to set the current session and the current term. And to do that, I'm going to click the home page, take us back to the home page, click administrator, and then go to terms. So when I go to terms, any term I click becomes the current term. So first term is the current term. So I'm going to select that. And then let's go back again to administrator. We go to sessions, and it's also the same thing. Any session I click is going to be the current session. You can see the current session is not clickable so that you can't, assign it to assign. You can't select the same session twice. So that's what I've done. So for the purpose of this demo, I'm creating 2020 and 2021 as the current session. You would need to be selecting this other one, 2021, 2022 as the current session in your case. So this is just for the purpose of this demonstration. So far we've set up, we'll be able to change the password, enable the term, enable the session. Let's try and search or check for the reports. So that's portal.harringtons.com/home/login. So I'm doing it from my local host, so you're not going to see all that portal. So I get to log in and I pick one of the learners numbers. I'll use the 001 example, TTS. I log in, I'll need to change my password. I change it to something else and I log in, and I get this report exactly as it should be. So the current session and this time is showing in red so that we clearly know that this is the current term, right? And the previous session, excuse me, has a different color. So remember that you can always play around with them. When any session you click is going to alter what you find in this other place. So if I refresh this and I just change the session, you can see it's just showing the only record that's found here. So that's pretty much everything that we talked about. Let me change the session back again and refresh this page. So just as a recap, you are going to make sure you set the session through administrator, session, and then click the session the current session, which is 2021, 2022. Then you also go back to admin and then click the term and then select first term. So that's all you need to do when the reports are set. I think currently it's not the current session. That's why you can't really see anything here when you try to log in now. So once you set this current session, you're going to see the first term and the previous session, just like I told you. So that's all about this video. I hope you are going to find this quite useful. You play around with it, and then you can give me feedback. And if we still need to meet, no problem, we can still meet. Thank you very much.